Alright, welcome to another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I'm here in the city of Las Vegas in a master plan community of, I was going to say Southern Highlands, but we are in Summerlin. So today we're going to be exploring these model homes by Obsidian, or actually Woodside Homes, and the name of the neighborhood is called Obsidian. And the village that we are is actually Redpoint. As you can see, this is more of a modern style. The model here is the Onyx Plan 2. So we're going to go inside. This one is 1,593 square feet. I love the design on the stucco here. Love the texture. I love how they have this just high wall here. I love that element right there. Look at that. That's gorgeous with the windows. You got the Santa Fe texture. Ooh. Love how they kept this like a loft style. This is kind of cool actually. I'm kind of digging this one so far. Here's the two-car garage, but if you notice, it was separate from the other one. So you have one car. And the other one car was like somewhere over here, wasn't it? Or does it walk through? I don't know. Probably does. Okay. What do we have here? The pantry. Love how they utilize these underneath the staircase as far as the pantry. That was a good idea. Okay, the cabinets. Kind of cool. Almost kind of feels like IKEA. But let me bring you guys back around here. So, like I said, this is 1,593 square feet. You have an option from 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and 2.5 bath, loft. Okay, and you have a split 2-car garage. That means if it's a split 2-car garage, I think you can only get into one garage. Nice Blanco sink. Basically, it looks like your dining room is going to be in your kitchen. This almost feels like micro living for some reason. So if you come out here, is this where you spend most of your time? I guess so, right? So you definitely need a sectional like this, and looks like all your TV and stuff would be right there then. Okay, interesting. Here's your half bath. I do love that feature wall right there. It's really nice, the texture on that thing. Gorgeous. See if I can get it a little bit up close on here for you guys. There you go. Get that texture, baby. 9-foot ceilings. We got an 8-foot slide. Vinyl. It's not your best quality slide. Okay. It's a cool little doghouse. Alright. Let's go inside. Oh, weather's great, guys. It's low 80s, high 70s. Now let's go upstairs. These are going to be very short videos. Oh, washer and dryer with a double stack. Yeah, this is definitely like micro living. Window here. Alright. Hallways are pretty wide, which is nice. Here's your loft. Let's take a look at this loft for a second. The balcony's up front. Love that. Let's come out here. See what's going on. So we got 2 collections. So collection 1 would be the amber, the one that we just toured. So check out that video. This is the onyx. Right, and they also have the jade plan 1, but that's not featured today. Collection 2 is the one over there. Now what you notice with collection 2 is the garage is in the back of the driveway here. I love how they took the different design of stucco here. As you can see, this is more around with a trawl, and you do have like light sand, right? Then you have these control joints in between. Gives you that nice element with the pop outs. You do have that beautiful color block. But then here on the main body of the home, all right, you have this color, and you have more of a heavy stucco. And again, then you have the trim. So on this one, they're using wood eaves here. Okay. So this is the master. Looks like. Okay, cool. Just put these pillows back up on here because it's just the right thing to do. Now these panels right here are so easy to put together. Look at that. It's gorgeous, huh? Alright, let's go take a look at this primary. You do get a 14 SEER air conditioning unit. Tankless water heater too as well. Obviously get the low E windows. 200 amp panel, which is pretty much all industry standards. Got your closet, okay. Love the tile. What I would have done with the tile here, if I use this tile, I would have left this right here, took this color tile and did the flooring here. That would have looked more custom right there. Let me know in the comments below if that's something that you would have done. Then on this tile right here, the 12 by 24, I would have took this all the way across. That would definitely give you that spa-like. Let me know in the comments below. 6'8" on the door, 9-foot ceilings. So I guess that wasn't the primary, or this wasn't the primary. I thought it was a primary because we had this balcony right here. Now this room is fairly small. Alright, 9-foot ceilings. I'm sure you have an option to do a double sink here, but it depends how many bedrooms you're going to do. So basically you had an option for 3 bedrooms. So in this one you couldn't really do it 3 bedrooms. It would just feel so small. Love the tub though, because this would have been 1, 2, then this would have been converted into a bedroom, which you would just have this narrow hallway, which doesn't make any sense for me anyway. Guys, if you guys want more information about this property, feel free to give us a call. We'll definitely get you all the information that you need. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, I want you to let me know what is the best part of the home. I'm thinking this right here. This is the selling feature, right? Look at that, all that window there with the loft. However, if you have neighbors in front of you and in back of you, all right, or on the side of you, this doesn't make sense. But if you have like that beautiful mountain views, this thing would be gorgeous. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. And have a blessed day, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.